Hello and welcome to StandingStronger.com. My name's Shannon.
And I'm Shannon.
And we are here at, I don't know, what is this, Vieira Beach or something?
Sebastian Beach.
Sebastian Beach, hanging out with the family. You can see them back in the background there. That's our son hanging out. But we just wanted to come and put together a little thank you video for you guys for stopping by the website.
Yeah, we just know where everybody comes from. You know, every day might be a struggle, but this is what it's all about. And every day you stand a little bit stronger. This is it. I mean, we weren't here 3 years ago, but now we get to enjoy life because every day we stood a little bit stronger together.
That's right, and that's what it's all about, and that's what this site is dedicated to, and that's helping you stand stronger. We have 2 podcasts for you. The first one already launched. It's Standing Stronger, and that comes every Thursday. You can count on it to be in your feed, and that podcast, what it does is it tells the story of struggle and overcoming that struggle and getting through, letting you know that you're not alone. The second podcast is Standing Stronger Daily. That's simply a 5-minute or less podcast that brings you a daily quote, something to lift your spirits, get you going each and every day, and that's what we're doing here.
Yeah, we're so excited that you guys stopped by the site, and if you want to leave a comment, I know there'll be a little comment box below, and we love to share our life with you any way we can help. That's what we're here for, not only for those going through it, but for those helping other people go through it as well. You know, every day we need a little bit of motivation, and if we can offer that for you, this is the site for you.
Zig Ziglar says it best. He says, motivation is like bathing. You need it daily.
Absolutely.
So come on back. We got it for you. We're not self-help gurus or anything like that. We're just 2 regular people that went through it. We know what it's like, so we're here for you.
Yep, just stand a little stronger.
Thanks. Have a fantastic day, and hopefully we'll see you on the beaches of the world.